Hey, I'm Josh at Barbecues Galore, and today we're here to talk about the Yoder YS640 competition cart. What I love about this, inside your fireboard technology here with the two port probes that can stick through your grommet. Here, my control is anywhere from 150 up to 600 degrees. When I go and I stick on that 100 pounds of cold meat onto my grill, this takes into account the amount of meat that's on there and adjusts my pellet flow into my hopper to maintain my temperature. It's the most accurate and consistent cook that you can find. This takes into account my ambient temperature outside, so when it gets colder, I have more fuel to fill and maintain my heat into my burn pot area here. Again, inside my housing, after I am done saucing, this is the fastest return to cook time that you'll see in the market today, all right? This has got the consistency inside because that 10 gauge steel is unrelenting. It doesn't ever go between October through that April. I'm out here in -20 cooking with it. It's unmatched. And for that unrelenting consistency, that's why I stick with the Yoder. For more information, you can look at barbecuesgalore.ca.